Take 1 minute to ace in prime factorization. Do check out our video on the following before you start off with this. Prime factorization is the process of breaking down numbers into their prime factors, which are prime numbers that can only be divided by 1 or itself. To prime factorize a number, we use the ladder method, where we start off with the number on the first step of the ladder. We will then identify the smallest possible prime factor of the number and write it on the left, while its quotient factor to be on the next step. Repeat this process till you can no longer break down the number on the last step with a prime factor. Lastly, we can then express the number as a product of its prime factors as seen. The process is the same for 2 or more numbers, but here, the factors are known as common prime factors as they are found in all given numbers. That's all for now. Subscribe for more topics and take 1 minute to ace them.